Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today we'll discuss how to use NetSuite Profit and Loss. Using the Profit and Loss P&L report in NetSuite allows you to evaluate your company's financial performance over a specific period. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to access, customize, and interpret a P&L, also known as an income statement in NetSuite. Navigate to Reports, Financial Income Statement, sometimes labeled Profit and Loss depending on customization. Profit and Loss Report in NetSuite displays the basic financial data like accounts and their corresponding amounts, but it can be customized to suit specific business needs. You can set quick filters to easily change the reporting period. NetSuite lets you set a custom date range on the income statement P&L report to view financials for any specific time frame you need. You can also change the subsidiary on the income statement P&L to view financials for a specific legal entity business unit or regional office within your organization. You can select a specific subsidiary, a consolidated group, or all. You can segregate financial data on the income statement by setting the column layout to show amounts by class, location, department, or other segments. Instead of displaying segmentation, like class, department, or location, as columns on the income statement, you can also use them as filters to focus the report on a specific segment. The Customize button is your key to tailoring the income statement P&L report to fit your specific reporting needs, whether that means adding more columns, filters, or changing the layout. For the purpose of this discussion, I'll be adding a class column to the report. Assign a name to your custom profit and loss report. You can also use the collapse and expand icons at the bottom of the report to control the level of detail displayed. Collapse icon hides sub-accounts or nested details and shows only summary-level totals, while expand icon reveals sub-accounts and detailed line items. You can visualize reports with bar graphs and other chart types for a more engaging and animated view of your data. That concludes this video. I hope you found it helpful. Thanks for watching.